I'm Paul Drzaic with the MRS Bulletin, and I'm here with Dr. Rick Muisener from Evonik. So, Rick, I'm wondering if you can maybe tell me a little bit about Evonik. I know the company's got a really long history in Germany from the constituent companies, but maybe you could just give me a high-level description of what the company does.
Sure, thank you, Paul. Evonik is a German specialty chemical and materials company. We're more than 30,000 employees across the globe and almost 4,000 employees here in North America with about 13 billion euros in sales last year.
Okay, that sounds very healthy. So we're at the Materials Research Society spring meeting. From an Evonik perspective, an industrial perspective, what are the hot topics that you're seeing here this week that make this an attractive place to be?
Well, I'm thrilled to be here. I mean, Evonik's innovation is really driven by megatrends of resource efficiency, health and nutrition, and globalization. And so just from the health and nutrition perspective alone, we're seeing a lot of topics that will lead eventually toward personalized medicine, next drug delivery systems, next generation medical devices. And again, wearable electronics is definitely a hot topic as well. From a resource efficiency perspective, I know we have a lot of solutions already in the market on how to utilize resources more efficiently. But again, materials that could be lightweight materials is always an area of interest for us. And again, systems from lubrication and other advanced systems for resource efficiency could be very interesting.
Mm-hmm. I mean, people normally think about there's a pipeline, I mean, the traditional mode of basic, applied research, and then product development within the company. But there's a new trend that a lot of companies, including Evonik, are looking at called open innovation, where in fact you pull in technologies and capabilities from the outside. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about that effort at Evonik.
Sure. I mean, obviously we're committed to developing a global network and internal expertise, but we don't have all the bright people, we don't have all the bright ideas. And so it's really important to leverage our internal expertise, our internal resources with what's going on in the outside world. And so we take advantage of these contributions by developing a broad external network. And so we are able to reach out to universities, we're able to reach out to industrial partners all along the value chain, from supplier through to customer, including unconventional partners you would not think of, in order to bring products to market, but also to leverage these partnerships toward broader relationships as well. And so it's important to have a presence in the global universities, but it's also important to be present in corporations and startups, and to take advantage of the entrepreneurial spirit that we have here in North America. And so that's where we as a corporate group here in North America are trying to interact not only with universities and companies, but also government labs that we're seeing here this week as well.
So how does that initiative flow? Is it basically from you and your team reaching out, or is there a way that companies that might be interested in, or individuals interested in working with Evonik might investigate?
Sure, I would say it's both a push and a pull. I mean, certainly we have needs that we communicate to the world and try to get people to offer technologies, but we also are open to people's input on startups or new technologies that might be relevant for Evonik.
What's your view of the perception of materials research and engineering sort of in the public, and is this something that needs to be enhanced?
Yeah, it's probably not well understood, unfortunately, and I wish I had the magic solution for that. I think the important point for students as they're approaching university is to really look at material science as the ability to do interdisciplinary research that bridges the gap between chemistry, engineering, and biology as well. I mean, the wealth of work that we're seeing here this week is a wonderful testament to that. Material science in the future is touching upon all of the hot topics in the world we see. It will definitely impact our health, our medicine, but also impact climate change, will impact the future of electronics and the future of transportation as well.
Okay, great. Well, Rick, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.